Go.
Halogens are really cool. They're solids, gases, and a liquid too.
Oh.
Halogen means salt producers. We got a lot to say, so let your mind get looser. They're located in column 17. It's the greatest group you have ever seen. Halogens are important to both me and you, so listen up, yo. You might learn something new.
Yeah. Toe chains. Hi, it's iodine. I go by I, but just call me thick thighs. I like being called that because I'm mass as that. I was found in 1811 by Bernard. I get used a lot. Hey yo, I'm perp, solid at 184 degrees Celsius to be boiling. 113.5 degrees Celsius melting with 53 protons. I'm out with my tight density of 4.43 grams per centimeter squared.
Fluorine. It rhymes with chlorine. The symbol is F. Did you hear that, Jeff?
No.
Atomic number is 9. That's pretty fine. Atomic mass is 18.998409. Can we erase that line? Never mind. Discovered in 1886. Modern use of this stuff is used in toothpaste. Just remember, don't brush in a haste. The gas form is pale yellow. Taste raps are really mellow. Used in nuclear energy, man. This rap is synergy. Used in uranium. This song is going in your cranium. Found in rocket propellant, man. This stuff is a chick repellent. Transported by the tongue. Alright, I'm done. I'll start with the facts. I'll send them in a fax. Used as a water disinfectant. That's how you perfect it. Essential chemical building block. It's produced through salt. Hey, that's a rock. Used to make bleach. That stuff will kill a leech. Protects crops from pests. Man, this rap's the best. Critical for making meds. All the people sleep in beds. Can be found in blood bags. I'm tired of this. I'm tired of these hags. It's in processors for smartphones. You got that, Holmes? Symbol of CO. Have you ever ate kale? Atomic number is 17. Dang, I'm in the routine. Discovered in 1774. I once killed a boar. Atomic mass 35.453. I'm pretty fly, can't you see?
It's a brown reddish liquid. In the column, it's located mid. Symbol is BR, but don't look far. It's number 35, so look alive. Mass is a bit more at 79.904. 1826, when it was discovered, 3 scientists racing for the cover. A student, a scientist, and Antoine Bourreau. Extracted from seawater, bromine it was called. Came from the Greek word bromos, which means stench. It's a cinch. It might be cool, but don't let that trick. It's harmful and evaporates quick. It will get into your eyes and onto your skin. It also killed thousands of men. World War I, when it was used as a gas because of its properties, it killed in mass. It doesn't occur naturally, that's a fact, because of other metals which it strongly reacts. Only found in seawater. If you want it, don't bother. It's difficult to obtain. It will drive you insane. From algal control to flame retardant, bromine is cool. Sorry about the ring. I don't know.
Astatine. Symbol is AT, matey. 85 is the number of protons. It has its pros and cons. 1 pro is the atomic mass. It's easier to remember and easier to say. 210 all day. When it was founded / created in 1940, 2 UCB students were in a laboratory. They blasted business with alpha particles, recorded the results, made an article. Or was it really discovered by Mendeleev, who called Eka iodine in the century of 19? Nah. Acetine comes from Greek again. It seems like none of these are Latin. Acetose meaning unstable. It is a bit of a fable, because less than 1 ounce is found in the ground. It's too radioactive and also reactive to mine it. It doesn't want to be found. There isn't much known about this element of fuss, but what we do know is it melts at 300 degrees Celsius. It is used as a radioactive tracer in cancer treatment, but that is not very frequent. In the morning, say hello. In the evening, lay some flowers because its half-life is only 8.1 hours. Acetine is a Triple R, radioactive, reactive, and rare, which isn't very fair.
That's the element. I got crazy facts, yo. Here we go. It's artificial though. Boiling point, they don't know. It's radioactive, so it ain't attractive. Atomic mass 117, it don't have no color scheme. Half-life of 80 milliseconds, that kind of sounds like a trillisecond, but nah, that's a millisecond. Mass is 294, man, that sounds like a chore. And sure, it's the second heaviest element. It's kind of like an elephant. It was made by man and his hand. It don't have any uses because it breaks loose like a deuce. UUS is the symbol. It's very nimble. There ain't any more facts, so I'm gonna have to leave while my brain is still intact.
Dog. Halogens are really cool. We gotta bounce, so see ya, fool. We really hope you learned a thing or two. Everything you heard is very true. That's all from the Halogens crew.
Un septium. That's the element. I got crazy facts, yo. Here we go. It's artificial though. Boy, shut up.
Dude, did I tell you the story about when we were at the track?
How do I restart it?
PE class and then
You just gotta hit back.
and I threw a tennis ball under that. Tell me when.
Oh.
Hey yo, I'm Perk. Saw it in 1840. Come on, restart.
Halogens are really cool. The solids are really shut up. Chlorine. I'll start with facts. I'll send them in a fax. Used as a water shut up.
Hey, we can't do that.
Chlorine. I'll start with the facts. I'll send them in a fax. Used as a water disinfectant. That's how you perfect it. Golly, man. Chlorine. I'll start with. Did you start good?